American-based group, U.S. military leaders, security and development experts that have coalesced to effect fundamental changes. As we gather here, it is essential to recognize the complexity and the challenges facing Haiti today. Challenges that extend beyond the immediate violence we read about in headlines and reach deep into our heart of Haiti's economic and stability and social resilience. For years, not today, for years, gang violence has created an environment of fear and paralysis, impacting not just the daily lives of Haitians, but the nation's economic potential. This widespread insecurity has weakened public institutions, disrupt essential services, and discourage investment, creating a cycle of instability that is harmful as it is difficult to break. The human toll is devastating, yet it's crucial to understand that this very hardship, challenging as it is, opens avenues for powerful response. And that response, I firmly believe, can and should be driven in part by the skill, the dedication, and resilience of the Haitian diaspora. Throughout history, we have seen nations facing similar, if not worse, challenges. Rwanda is one example, following the horrors of the 1994 genocide. Rwanda confronted its deep wounds and emerged with a determined commitment to security and reconstruction. Through a process of reconciliation, investment and security, and robust economic reform, Rwanda has shown the world how even the most damaged nations can rise. Like Rwanda, Haiti too has the potential to transform the channel and to channel its challenges into opportunities for sustainable growth and stability. There is an opportunity to decentralize power for many years, engaging and developing economic development for the local communities right here in the United States, and work with some organizations in Haiti. So those two people we have here with us will share their background, their experience, and how we can learn from their experiences and as we look forward to a better Haiti. So without any delay, let me introduce you to Miguel.